welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to share some useful kitchen products which will help you out in meal prep, cleaning and in organizing your kitchen. I have been using these products for quite some time. And if these products are helping me in the kitchen, I'm sure they are going to be useful for you also. Recently, I bought some new products from Meesho at a very affordable price which you'll see in the video. So without wasting much time, let's get into the video now.
This is my recent purchase from Meesho. It's a stainless steel foldable cooking basket, which is very useful if you're steaming pasta, macaroni, for blanching and also for deep frying. When you directly put the macaroni in the pan, you might have seen that macaroni sometimes sticks to the bottom of the pan. But using this really makes the job easy and also saves time. This opens up into a hanging style basket which fits properly into your pots and pans. Just unfold it like if you want to boil macaroni, just insert this basket in the boiling water pan and now put the macaroni. You can very easily check it in between, just open the basket and stir it. Once you're done, just lift up to drain. You can use this basket for cleaning the vegetables, fruits, and it's just not an essential for your kitchen but also a craft. Won't take much space, just fold it and keep it on the shelf. Chai is an essential in most of the Indian homes और मसाले वाली चाय सबको पसंद है. Few days back when my mother was making tea, she hurt her finger while grating. So if you also get scared when it comes to grate that small last piece of ginger, what if you get hurt like my mother did? So my friends, here I want to share one small but very useful kitchen product. It's a ginger garlic grater. This comes with 3 attachments. You have to fix this moving part here and now put the ginger or garlic in the slot given on the top of the grater. Cover it with this and start grating to make your meals more delicious without worrying about the hand injuries. It's easy to hold, use and clean. Just rinse under the faucet and allow it to air dry. Sometimes small things in kitchen are the ones which really help a lot when it comes to saving time and to avoid accidents. When it comes to cooking deep fried food, you would need to drain the excess oil, which always takes a lot of time. With this filter spoon snack strainer, it becomes easy to remove the excess oil from the food. While you're deep frying the aloo tikkis or pakoras, use the strainer spoon, which will not only pick the food, but it will also drain the excess oil at the same time. The handle is non-slip and very comfortable to grip. Handy thongs with mesh strainer eliminates grease and keeps your fingers safe from burns. Now this is a different type of vegetable cutter which comes in this unique scissor shape. The shape makes it very easy to use and cut the hard vegetables easily. It has this lock at the end from where you can open and close the cutter. This is one of the best tools for kitchen when it comes to making salads in perfect size and shape. Like here I am preparing the cucumber salad and all the slices are cut in the proper side. Just add a pinch of chaat masala and your salad is all ready to be served. You can easily cut all the hard vegetables like potatoes and carrots. You can easily make the perfect round-shaped potato chips. Once when you're done, just clean it with a kitchen towel and lock it from the end. As it has a proper grip, when you're cutting the vegetables, there will be no chances of any cuts or wounds. Knife sharpener. I have shared this product in my kitchen hacks and here I am sharing it again as I like it very much when it comes to what tools one should have in the kitchen. It's a knife sharpener to sharpen your knives at home. It has a 3-stage knife sharpening system. Insert it in the first slot and move it backward several times. Here it will repair the steel knives. Insert it in the second slot where it will restore its V shape. And finally, in the third slot, it will fine tune for a clean polish. And you can sharpen all your knives at home. This is one of the products which I have been using for the last 2 years and believe me, it has just made my sink area more organized and clean. This is a soap dispenser. Open the head cover of the box. Squeeze the right amount of liquid detergent. This step is optional, but if you want, you can add a little amount of water and stir it. Now close the top cover of the box. And here, as you can see, it has a proper space where you can keep the scrubber. Just press and start cleaning your dishes. With this dispenser, you don't have to take out the detergent every time you're cleaning your dishes. Takes very less, clean the dishes and keeps your area organized. This is a stainless steel basket for keeping the dishes after cleaning them. It comes with the handles for moving it from one place to another. Proper slot for keeping spoons and knives. It comes with a tray under the basket which collects the water and can be easily removed as and when needed to clean it. I had purchased this basket last year and from then this has been one of the many best buys. Earlier, I used to keep plastic basket for storing the cleaned utensils. But with that, I have faced one problem that leaves the hard water stains on my quartz, which for later become a task to get rid of. But when I came across the stainless steel basket which comes with a tray under, it collects all the water and once when you are done, just remove the tray from the slot, empty the water and fix it back. This has reduced much of my time for cleaning the hard water stains from the countertop. If you're looking for a quick and easy way to chop your vegetables, then look no further. You can use this handy manual vegetable chopper for your daily cooking. The 3 stainless steel chopping blades ensures the clean and hassle-free cuttings of the vegetables. It has a very simple design which makes cleaning also very easy. With this chopper, you can cut vegetables like potatoes, onions, capsicums, carrots for making khichuris and uttapams. You can also prepare raitas by cutting onions and cucumbers. As I said, it has a very simple design from the inside, which makes the cleaning very easy. Just run it under the faucet and clean it. Simple things, but makes your work more easy. In pandemic, all things which come from the market need to be cleaned properly with soap before I store them. I have these baskets in 2 different sizes and during this pandemic, these baskets are just very helpful for me. This rectangular basket comes with an adjustable handle which can be very easily expanded according to the size of your sink. Just fix it on the sink, wash vegetables, fruits and keep it in the basket. Once when you're done, collapse it and keep it on the corner of your shelf. These round-shaped collapsible baskets come in set of 2, small and medium. These don't come with extendable handles but are very helpful for cleaning vegetables and groceries. All these baskets won't take much space and is very useful to wash anything and everything in the kitchen. I have told many times in my channel that we should store vegetables in a proper bag, which has good air circulation to keep vegetables stay longer inside the fridge. It's not a good idea to keep vegetables in a Ziploc bag or airtight container that causes rotting and spoil them quickly. Either use these plastic mash bags or cotton bags like these, both of them are reusable. The breathable net or cotton allows ethylene gas to escape, which keeps vegetables and fruits fresh for longer in the fridge. I use both these type of bags to store vegetables, and when you store it in bags, your fridge stays organized and also saves your time for sorting vegetables during your meal preparations.
As I said, I've purchased all these products which you have seen in today's video from Meesho at a very affordable price. Meesho is India's #1 reselling app through which you can not only shop for yourself but you can start your own business also without any investment.
Just download the app given below in the description box, and here you can find variety of products. If you like something, just share the pictures with your friends and family. And if someone wants to buy it, just place the order on their behalf. Add your profit margin, which Meesho will directly transfer it to your bank account. And this margin will be your profit through the Meesho. It's just very easy to start your own business or shop for your own home. These are just the kitchen tools which you buy from the market. But being a homemaker, they are not just tools for me. They are my helpers in the kitchen, which reduces my long stay in the kitchen, avoid many accidents, make my work easy so that I can focus on many other things in my life.
So this is it for today's video, and I really hope you guys liked today's video. If so, then please do like, share and subscribe to my channel. I'll see you next time. Till then, stay home, take care and bye bye.